5 tips I'd have, be a good listener, all right? The guys here that are training you, myself and the other pad trainers and all your over-the-road trainers, have been doing this for a few years. Most of our over-the-road trainers have 20+ years experience driving a truck. So if they say something, it's what needs to be done. Have a good attitude about it. When you come here, be the person that is the first to volunteer to do anything. Don't wait till someone asks you to do it. Jump up. If you want to go driving, come to an instructor, be like, hey, let's go driving. Be willing to learn, willing to break old habits. A lot of guys coming in here with standard experience before driving cars. Well, it's a whole different ballgame when you come drive a truck that's a standard. So you got to be willing to lose your old habits. And another tip would be try to stay calm through the whole thing. You get out on the road, when we're on the pad driving, you're not too worried about it. You don't let a truck out there, you're just going to run over cones. But then we get on the road and everyone starts panicking because, oh, well, now I'm in traffic and what I do if this happens. So just come here and realize that you're not the first student that's going to mess up and you're not going to be the last student. So just relax when you're doing things. It helps keep a stable mind. And the last tip I have would be to be patient. When you're here learning new standards, it takes a while. I just had a guy got frustrated because he wasn't picking it up as fast as the rest of the class. Everyone learns at a different pace. I came here and I was the only one out of my class not to pass the first time going to CDL class, a CDL test. So I panicked, but I come back, I retrained, I listened to my instructors, I was patient and got it on the second go. So definitely be patient when you come here.